Hello and welcome to Inner Vitality, your home for natural health and powerful home remedies. Today we talk about something very important: how to remove harmful toxins from your body using only home remedies. No pills, no expensive products, just natural ways to stay clean, light, and healthy. Every day your body takes in many bad things from food, water, air, and stress. These bad things are called toxins. They go inside your blood, your liver, your kidneys, your stomach, and slowly make you weak, tired, and sick. But don't worry, your body can clean itself if you give it the right support. Let's talk about how you can help your body remove toxins step by step. First, start your day with warm water. Drink 1 or 2 glasses of warm water right after you wake up. This helps your body clean the stomach, start digestion, and push out waste. To make it more powerful, add lemon juice, just 4 or 5 drops. Lemon is very good to clean your liver. You can also add a little ginger or cinnamon. These help burn fat and remove toxins. Next, you can make detox water at home. Take some mint leaves, coriander leaves, or fennel seeds. Soak them in water overnight. In the morning, drink that water slowly. This will clean your liver, reduce bloating, and improve your skin. Do this daily for 7 days, and you will feel lighter and more energetic. Now let's talk about aloe vera. Aloe vera is a natural cleanser. It helps your stomach, liver, and skin. Take 1 spoon of fresh aloe vera gel, mix it with warm water, and drink it before breakfast. Be careful, only take the inner gel, not the yellow part. Aloe vera also helps with constipation and gas. You can also drink turmeric milk at night. Turmeric is a powerful antitoxin herb. It fights inflammation, pain, and helps your liver work better. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric in warm milk and drink it 30 minutes before sleep. Let's move to food. Eat more fiber-rich fruits and vegetables, like apple, carrot, beetroot, cucumber, spinach, and pumpkin. Fiber helps your body remove waste from the stomach and intestines. Especially, beetroot is excellent for your liver. You can make beetroot juice or boil it and eat it in salad. Beet cleans the blood and helps remove heavy metals. Sweating is another great way to remove toxins. When you walk, run, exercise, or even sit in the sun, you sweat. Sweat removes dirt, chemicals, and fat from your skin. Try to sweat at least 3 times a week. You don't have to go to the gym. Just take a brisk walk or do light yoga. Let's talk about rice starch water, also called rice congee. After you boil rice, save the water, let it cool, and drink a small glass. It's rich in prebiotics, helps your gut, and pushes toxins out of your body. Very good for children and old people. Also include green tea with tulsi or ginger. Green tea removes toxins and improves your liver and brain. Drink it once a day, but not more than 2 cups. Now, avoid things that add more toxins to your body. Say no to junk food, packaged snacks, soft drinks, excess sugar, alcohol, and smoking. These things overload your liver and make your body toxic. Try this. Once a week, do a simple fasting. Eat only fruits, boiled vegetables, and detox water for 1 day. This gives rest to your stomach and helps deep cleaning. Don't forget to drink enough water, at least 2.5 to 3 liters every day. Without water, toxins stay inside and make you feel sick. Also sleep well. Your body removes toxins when you sleep, especially from your brain. Try to sleep 7 to 8 hours daily. Finally, relax your mind. Stress is also a toxin. When you worry too much, your body becomes weak. Take 10 minutes every day to sit quietly and breathe slowly. Now let's summarize. To remove toxins naturally, start with warm lemon water, use detox herbs and aloe vera, eat clean and fiber-rich foods, sweat and stay active, avoid junk food, drink enough water, sleep well, keep your mind calm. You don't need expensive pills or hard diets. Just small daily habits can clean your body naturally. If you liked this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to Inner Vitality. Share this video with your friends and help them detox their body too. We will bring you more natural health tips that are easy, safe, and powerful. Stay healthy, stay fresh, stay naturally clean with inner vitality.